You have probably heard this Hanon exercise. Hanon was a French composer from the 1800s who wrote a series of technical exercises for the developing pianist. This is the first one. Okay, we're just going to work with one hand and teach you the proper technique. The first thing we're going to do is learn the notes. So if you come over here, you can see that the first section is going up the hill. Start on the C, go up the hill and back. Move to the D, skip a note, go up the hill and back. The E, up the hill and back. The F, up the hill and back. G, A, B, and finish on C. All right, let's go ahead and look at coming down the hill. Okay, we start on the G with your pinky, and this time you skip a finger here, go down and back up. And then we'll do the same thing. We'll play the F, down, back up, E, D, start on C, walk down to B, down to A, and then our last one starts on G. A little change at the end. All right, so the way I have my students practice that is to come into the chopped slicing and just start up the hill, go through this exercise. First I do it in practice, and then I do it in play. Okay, I got a 100%. And then I would move to the next speed. Once I finish, then I will go on to down the hill. So just get the notes for now. Eventually what you want it to look like is you keep control of each of the fingers. They don't fly far off the keys. You keep them rounded, and you also make sure that you feel the weight of your whole body and arm into each note. So I can feel the weight of that from my whole body coming into that note when I switch. This will take a while to develop that good technique for that. And the more you do it, the easier that technique will come. So go ahead and finish the Hanon hills. What we're going to do when we come back to this is we're going to start adding some technique in the left hand as well. We're going to start adding staccato. As we get more advanced, one hand will play legato while the other one's staccato. And then we'll switch, and then one hand will play loud while the other one plays soft. We'll come back and add some more technique to this Hanon exercise later. Have fun.